Hey, how's it going? My name is Jack here with Rocket Ship SEO. I'm one of the consultants here. I was tasked with doing this video analysis for you, basically go over exactly what I can see in terms of your SEO as a search marketer, some of the keywords you're potentially ranking for, as well as what we need to do to get you to rank higher for the various keywords that we want to go after. All right, so without further ado, let me go ahead and get started. Um, the first thing I want to do actually, is actually pull up your website here in a tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs allows search marketers like myself to look at the SEO metrics on the site. And what I can see right off the bat is that the site used to have more authority back in 2014. So I don't know if maybe you've owned the site for a while or maybe if you bought it from another person. But I can see that the SEO has been slowly trailing off since um, a while back, and it has not been ranking for many if at all keywords. I don't know if this is our tool that's not pulling this up correctly, or if maybe this is actually accurate. But usually, like a sloping curve that moves upwards like this and to the top right is indicative of a authority that's building a is indicative of a website that's building authority to the site and getting more reputation. And what happens is when that happens is Google tends to start ranking your site higher and higher for those kinds of keywords. And so what we want to make sure we do is that we get more referring domains than where you're at right now. And so in case you didn't know what a referring domain is, basically any website out there on the internet that links back to your website by a hyperlink. So if there's a blog out there that's called the animeblog.com, and they say, hey, if you're looking for the best anime merchandise, check out animebadass.com. And then there'd be a link that links back to your site. And so anytime another website links back to your website gets credit for it. And so you want a lot of these websites to link back to your site because then it shows Google that you're authoritative and you're trustworthy. And so then you would see an increasing number of referring domains linking back to your site, and then you're going to obviously start ranking higher for the keyword that you want to rank for. From what this tool is pulling up right now, the only really two keywords that you're currently ranking for, which is on the 97th position, which basically means you're on the 10th page, is this keyword Naruto cosplay costumes under this keyword right here, and then this one sweatshirt. And so it basically means that we have a lot of SEO work to do. The fact that you have 64 live referring domains and 0 organic traffic is probably concerning, because you should have more links than that, or I'm sorry, you should have more traffic than that, and you should be able to rank for a lot more keywords. So I'm not sure if there's some SEO stuff that's been done that. Oh, okay, so there's some websites that are linking back to your site through these kinds of texts. The only free streaming website. And if that's the case, that's going to be an issue because I'm pretty sure streaming this stuff is illegal. And so if it's illegal, Google might have penalized the site and basically made it so that it can't rank online organically for the keywords that you want to rank for, which means that no matter how much SEO we do to the site, it's just not going to rank. Let me try this. So it is getting indexed. It may be penalized. So maybe the site was redone so that it's not so much like a streaming site, and now it's more like more of like a merchandise site. The problem is maybe previously the site used to involve things that had to do with streaming. This is why the anchor text says the only free streaming anime site that is viewable on iPad and iPhone. These ones all other have free streaming anime, the only anime site in HD. So that kind of is a cause for concern. And so I would have to do some further analysis into the site to see kind of where it was at and what needs to be done. Because yeah, I mean, you still have 64 referring domains. I mean, but at the same time, these are not that good quality links. They're really spammy ones, and so maybe that might be really hurting your ranking profile as well. But at the end of the day, what we need to do is we need to make sure that we have more quality websites linking back to your site and really building the authority so that you can start claiming keywords that have to deal with like um, with anime like merchandise and this stuff. So yeah. Um, I think I'll wrap it up here. The site actually looks really good. It's very catchy and it has all the elements that you're looking for, like your payment methods, contact us, shipping and delivery returns policy, even like your Twitter, Google Plus, Pinterest, and YouTube page. Maybe a Facebook page might be a good idea to have. But yeah, and then you got your bestsellers and everything else. So uh, it's just a matter of doing a little bit more homework. But in order for us to do that, we need to make sure that we actually are not penalized for the site, and that requires me to do some further in-depth analysis. But it's only if you're actually serious about this and you're not just kind of putting this inquiry just to get some feelers out. But would love to hear back from you if you are serious about this. Let me know and take a look at it further and see what's going on. If it's not penalized, it actually might not be penalized considering it's just 64 like just not very good quality links that are linked back to your site, which means that there is room for improvement. And if we need to get rid of these 64 websites that are not good, we can just disavow them and basically start from scratch. But it's not necessarily start from scratch in the sense that we have a brand new website. The site is aged, which means that it's been in existence for at least 5 years, which means that it's an aged domain and it ranks a lot quicker than a brand new domain. So that's actually a good sign. So we'd have to look into it. But anyways, hope you got some insight out of this. And if you're interested, look forward to talking to you soon. Okay? Thank you.